It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Nike Lebron 4 Fruity Pebbles. Let's go. I love it, y'all. These shoes, I gotta say, are the best shoes I copped this year. I thought it was the reimagined fours, but these right here, these hit different, man. Golly, these are nice. Salute to everybody out there that got these on Sneakers app, man. Nike did your boy dirty. I had to go to StockX and I had to wait probably about 3 or 4 days, man, because these went up to damn near $300 on StockX, man. And your boy had to wait for it to come down. I got them for $235. I believe $235. With the taxes, fees, and shipping, it came to $287, man. So I'm very, very happy with these, man. I didn't think they was, wow. And I did it right this time. Your boy did it right. I went true to size 11 and a half. I made a mistake with the black anthracite and the graffiti. I went size 12 on those, man, because I figured, these are gonna be hard to get into, and they are. But the shoes look big on feet, man. I mean, they are hard to get in, but I should have went true to size on these, man. But it is what it is. It is what it is. On the Fruity Pebbles, the pull tab, it says family size. You see that? It says family size. And on the pull tab, on the graffiti, and on the black anthracite, it just all black pull tab. It don't say anything. Okay. Another thing, the insole. See, you got your Fruity Pebbles cereals, and it say Fruity Pebbles right there. But the insole on these is the same. Yeah, insole ain't too much going on these two. Another thing, on the other side of the tongue, it says Fruity Pebbles. You see that? And on the other side of the tongue, on the black anthracite, you have Bronny birthday, October 6, 2004. And on the inside of the tongue on the graffiti, it says, you haven't made it until you make it in NYC, 11/13/06. All right. So, and you have more differences too. Like on the graffiti, you have a red Nike check, and then on these two, it's a gray. Okay. Drop a comment if you have all 3 of these colorways, man. Drop a comment and let your boy know, because I believe if you have one, you gotta have them all. Coming soon, the eggplant colorway. That's a must cop. I believe that shoe is gonna be hard to cop, man. And I hate I didn't hit on the eggplant foam posits, man. That really bothers me, man. And the resale value on those is damn near $300. But I gotta get the eggplant LeBron 4s, man. If it's 3, I'm gonna pay it. I don't give a damn, man. I gotta get those. So let's go see how these look on feet. Let's go. knew it. I knew I was gonna like how they look on feet, man. I just knew it, man. I'm glad I went true to size, but getting your feet in is tough. Getting your feet out is tough too, man. But it is what it is, man. I love these shoes. I don't regret my purchase on StockX, and I'm waiting on those eggplant colorways, man. So what say y'all? Are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.